Explorer. Dora's I Love You book. Hola, I'm Dora, and I'm going on a very special adventure. An adventure to visit everyone I love. Mira, look, it's my mommy and my puppy. I love you, Mommy. I love you, Papi. I love my baby brother and sister too. I have a kiss for both of them. Un beso. I love my abuela. She teaches me so many things, like how to be a star catcher. I love my cousin Diego too, and I love to help him rescue animals. Who in your family do you love? I love my puppy, Pireto. Do you have a pet that you love too? I love all my friends, mi amigos. I love Backpack and Map. They help me on my adventures. I love my friends, Isa and Benny and Chico. And of course, my best friend Boots. We have a great time exploring together. Do you have friends you love to play with too? At bedtime, I love to snuggle with my teddy bear, Zito. Do you have a stuffed animal you love? And there is one more very special friend I love. Do you know who? I love you, and I can't wait for our next adventure together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your continued support. I really appreciate it. We'll see you all in the next adventure.